Grade 7 Health and Physical Education Unit 11. Let us respect the rules and regulation and ethics in the sports. These are some pictures of sports events. What are the rules and regulations in sports? Rules and regulations are agreed set of conventions in conducts with which a sport has to be conducted. Sports are governed by rules and regulations. In fact, which are not converted by rules and regulations become important. All through the origin of sports, rules and regulation is not known exactly. It is reported that certain rules and regulations had been in place during the first Olympic game in 776 BC. With the development of sports and the increase of competition in it, the rules and regulations have evolved to their present status, undergoing change from time to time. Rules and regulations. What are known as ethics in sports? Moral principles and values that govern a person's conduct are referred to as ethics in sports. Ethics code for good behavior, observing traditions so that the sport can be conducted in accordance with its rules and regulations. Ethics. Why rules and regulations and ethics are required in sports? For the existence of sport, to protect the rights of the participants, to minimize accidents, to obtain fair victory at competition, for fair play, to maintain the dignity of sport, to minimize disputes, to develop good personal values. What are the benefits that you and your family will get by adhering to rules, regulations and ethics in sports? To be a law-abiding citizen, to develop one's personality, to engage in sports without disputes and clashes, to ensure fair results and accept victory and defeat. Your friends and people in the society will like you more, can develop good social relation, you become a sociable individual, your family will be proud of you, develop self-esteem. What are the benefits that a school enjoy by adhering to rules, regulation and ethics in sports? Having well-disciplined sports team is good for the reputation of school. Your school will be recognized as a law-abiding and disciplined school. Your school will become and be recognized as a school with organizational ability. Personal qualities of students will develop. Students will be recognized and respected in the society. The school will have ambitious students with good team spirit. What are the benefits derived by the society by adhering to rules, regulation and ethics? Active, honest and law-abiding citizens can be produced. Clashes and disputes in the society can be minimized. Crimes such as robbery, stealing and corruption will be minimized. Team spirit will be developed. Victory and defeat can be taken in the correct spirit. What are the things you could do to the umpire and referee? Appreciate the services rendered by umpire and referee. Treat them with respect from the beginning to the end of the game. Humbling and courteous acknowledge when fault is pointed out. Avoid angering with insulting or being sarcastic of the umpire and referee. If you think that decision is wrong, present your case through the captain your team a lawful manner. What are the qualities of good sportsmanship that should be developed by you? Acting with team spirit, acting with a sense of fairness, accepting victory and defeat equal well, act as the leader required, accepting the captain's decisions, be courteous, friendly, patient and courageous. How could the other be encouraged to abide by rules and regulations? As much as you develop sportsmanship qualities, others to do so too. Other school children, people in the society and spectators will then be encouraged to respect rules and regulations and observe ethics. Even if your team lose the game, avoid voting rules and regulations. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel, Myself Learning Academy, and put a like and a comment to this video. Thank you. Creation of Myself Learning Academy.